Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Wonders Graphics Tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to use texture and pattern in Photoshop. So without wasting my time, let's begin. Don't forget that this video is a continuation of the basics series which I've started. So if you haven't seen the other videos, check up here and then look at those videos too. All these videos are for beginners. Okay, so to use the texture and pattern features of Photoshop, you have to go to the layer star menu. Okay, so first of all, I want to fill this background with I don't want white, a different color, so I'll press Shift plus F5 to bring the fill menu, and then I'll go with, let me see, I want something like blue. Okay, this color is good, so I'll just go with this color. You can go with any color. Okay, and then I'll right click on the layer and then select blend options. Okay, good. So over here you have to notice something. You can see they have been arranged. So if I select this and then select this, no, let me go with something like color overlay. You can see the color overlay is on top of the gradient overlay. So color overlay will show, gradient overlay will not show because it is underneath. You understand? Unless it is something which can show through, like the satin, which I did, and then you saw it coming through the gradient overlay. Okay, so we are going to begin with texture. Texture is basically add texture to the objects. Okay, in this video I'm adding to the background. Okay, so let me push this way. I hold Control and then use my scroll wheel to push the canvas away from my menu. Okay, and then before you can do this, go and enable scroll. There's a feature called scroll something. I'll check it and then tell you. So if you go to edit and then go to preference and go to, I think, interface also, you will find scroll something over there. Okay, so here I'll just select any pattern. You can create a pattern too if you want. Yeah, so I'll select, let's say, this pattern. Okay, there are a lot of patterns which are available, so you can choose any one of your choice. Okay, I think, okay, something like this. This looks like sand, right? Or it looks like a rough wall, and then you can adjust the scale with this. Okay, so you can see that it will just add texture towards the object. Okay, so you can, the depth is here, you can change it if you want. Okay, so I think something like this is nice, and this is nice, and then you can invert it if you want so that it will turn over. Okay, so this is texture. Let me also show you pattern. So I'll uncheck this and then come towards pattern overlay. So one difference between the pattern and then the texture is that pattern will cover everything because it's an overlay. Okay, as you can see, it's an overlay. So it will overlay, like it will cover everything, and then the texture will not take away anything. It will just add to what you had. Okay, so this is the pattern overlay, unless maybe you change the blend mode here so that you still have my background, and then the pattern will add up. Okay, so here you can change the pattern you want. So you can see it has taken away my background and then assume the colors which the pattern had. Okay, you can change the blend mode so that you still have your background back. Okay, yeah, this is really nice. Wow, let me leave it hard mix. So I'll leave it this way. You can change the scale. Okay, you can change the scale. I think the first one was nice. This is cool, and then you can change the colors later if you want. Okay, so guys, this is how you use texture and pattern. This is how you use texture and pattern. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button and then leave a comment down below.